So, welcome to Whiteboard Wisdom. It's me, Johnny Moss, from the Imagine Bureau. So, today I wanted to look at why we should go from A to C and not A to B when we're trying to find great ideas or solve problems. So, if we consider like a basic innovation space, a basic idea space, we've got A, which is our current state. Now, our current state is something that we want to try and move away from. We don't particularly like it, and we want to move to a new desired state. So we'll call that desired state. But in this instant, I'm going to call this C, because what happens is when we think about from A to B, we want to do it very quickly. A to C, we already know that there's a stage in between, and that's really important. Now, that stage is the problem space or the idea space. And in this idea space, we have B. Now, what can happen if you're really pushing to get some ideas and you're working with the team and not used to working in a creative way or not very confident? You go from A to B, you get your idea, then you go to C. Hopefully, if you're lucky, that idea might get you to C. Very often, that idea won't get you to C. It fails, or it sometimes spirals you off into a completely new area or a new current state that you don't really want. So the idea is, when you go from A to C, it's important that you get as many B's or ideas as you possibly can. Now, these should range from quite simple to around this area, quite extreme, metaphoric ideas that are often difficult to kind of hang on to or get people to choose. So what happens when you've got a lot of ideas and you've worked as a team and you've generated these and you haven't thrown them out yet? You can then start to choose some of these ideas and then start to test them, throw them around the team, interrogate them. But what you have is a range of ideas that could be potential solutions to get into your desired state. Now, the more ideas, the better. Now, what can also happen when working like this is that you might get an idea, let's say this one here, that will take you to a new C. Let's call it C+. Now, this C+, could it be an even better desired state than you originally thought? So without this range of ideas, you're initially missing out on the opportunity to get to a better desired state, but certainly cutting yourself short when it's trying to reach this desired state. So, there you go. That's why you should be going from A to C and not A to B, because B is the vehicle to C. Really important. So working with the trained facilitator or having someone in your team that can really work with the team and push them and provoke them to get a lot of ideas and protect them is a really great way of making sure that you've got lots of options on the table to get to a new desired state and innovate. That's a key word there. You really are helped in your innovation process by considering problem solving and idea generation like this. So that's it really for this little lesson. Thanks for tuning in to Whiteboard Wisdoms. And of course, like always, if you're working on a new project or you've got an old project that needs a bit more, a few more ideas, and you're interested in working with a facilitator, check out the Imagine Bureau. Give us a call. We're happy to have a chat anytime. All right. Have a great day. See you later. Bye.